Want to give your hair a complete detox from store-bought products? Create your own complete hair care routine with these fabulous recipes using natural ingredients. To make your own hair oil, take equal amounts of hibiscus flowers and leaves. Heat coconut oil for 3 to 4 minutes. Once hot, reduce the flame and then add the flowers and leaves. Let it cook for 15 minutes so the secretions can infuse. Allow it to cool before straining and massage the oil gently on your scalp. Hibiscus oil is an excellent conditioner that not only nourishes your hair but also strengthens it and helps prevent premature aging. If you are suffering from dull hair and want to prevent hair fall, this miracle mask can do wonders. Mix 4 tablespoons fenugreek seed paste with 4 tablespoons onion juice. Onion juice is rich in sulfur, prevents scalp infections and boosts growth, while fenugreek seed promotes healthy scalp, tames frizz and has antifungal properties. Apply it evenly throughout your scalp and hair and rinse after 30 minutes. Follow it once a week for thick, bouncy hair. Amla is an amazing non-toxic alternative to commercial shampoos. It mildly exfoliates the scalp, is full of antioxidants and reverses hair loss. Take some amla powder and add some water. Mix well and leave it overnight. In the morning before using, add some lemon juice. Massage it on your scalp before rinsing it off. Amla powder effectively helps in removing product buildup, dirt and grease, leaving hair extra soft, shiny and strong. This simple 2-ingredient conditioner involves yogurt and honey. Yogurt has lactic acid which moisturizes, hydrates and prevents frizziness. Honey helps add shine and luster to the strands. Mix 2 tablespoons honey with a cup of yogurt. Apply and rinse with warm water. Use this conditioner to reduce dryness and give your hair a smooth and shiny appearance. This DIY serum will penetrate the shaft of your hair and provide nourishment to your dull strands. Boil curry leaves and tulsi leaves in some water and then strain it. Add some aloe vera gel and almond oil to this mixture. Curry leaves are a rich source of beta-carotenes and proteins that help strengthen your hair. Tulsi is an antioxidant that helps rejuvenate lifeless strands. And the lubricating properties of almond oil keep damage and breakage away. Apply it on damp hair, focusing on the ends where it feels the driest. And we're sure healthy, happy hair is what you'll be left with. Say goodbye to chemical-laden hair products with these natural alternatives for lustrous, shiny hair. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.